And if you want to back it up, you back it up slow. Make my mind blow, let them know. Say make them know, try come close. Cause this not private show. Yeah. And if you wanna let loose, let loose. Even if you have to take off.
I like that song. Oh.
Make you not spend nobody. Cause now you got your body. Baby, you better sing though. Better sing though. You better sing though. If you really want back, prove to me that you want it.
Who tell you Sibin make you stop this thing? Oh, yeah. Don't live without my arm.
They do, we don't come back. We don't come back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't do, sit down.
Don't live without
sit down.
my
Sorry, you know, so we'll not get time. Today na Friday.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. True. Don't live without my hand.
You wait till I do like this. I beg, and those of now we know Casey. Mona ask him, what is he looking for? He always fingering the baby. Anyway, now welcome back to the night. Well, welcome back to the night show on Top Channel 195. Oh, yeah. Jason, my friend. Casey, in a play, you know now. Well, welcome back to the night show. What will they discuss today now? How men take the think versus how women take the think. We been started this topic last year, and now two things now we go discuss today on top how men take the think and how women take the think. How men take the think on top money matter and how women take the think on top money matter. How men take the think on top age matter and how women too take the think on top age matter. Our
how
phone
men
numbers.
they think on top love matter. You know say Valentine they come.
Very
and how
soon.
men they think how men they think about love and how women they think about love. Trust me, they don't used to think the same way.
Mba.
Mbanu.
Mba.
I know me and Nerubi, they fight all the time.
Men they always think go Lokoja. The women and they think na go Lagos. Because they are two different ways. Anyway, I'm gonna join us as we welcome Pastor in here in Ejogo. Pastor, you're welcome once again.
Pastor,
how is the ministry?
God, they try.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
No verse for last week Friday.
Last week Friday, Una vex me.
No vex. It's the devil's work.
Hey.
It's the devil. You know go
the
better
devil
for
is
devil.
a liar.
You know go better for devil.
But it's okay. We don't day here now. So.
And you know say people don't wait to hear. You know say you they get those magic words. Hey.
Anyway, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV now. When we go break, come back, we go figure you go begin to take your phone calls. Our phone numbers there on top of your TV. Make you copy the phone numbers so that you go begin call. But make you hand over properly now. Give Pastor Inyayi. Make we continue. Make we start. How men take the think versus how women take the think.
Okay. Last year when we start, you know, say we set small foundations. So maybe we just go back to
exactly
dating at the first where we talk how men they think and how women they think. When man and woman go on date, the man just they look the hair, the body,
like my hair like this when they do not really look
voice, just the but the woman, if na prospect, he don't see children. He don't look the man. Picture how her sons
go resemble him.
How the sons go look, how the daughters go look. And one thing we not mention last year before now, no be bad thing. So women anywhere on a day, it no be bad thing. It just means say you they think result pass man.
Pass man.
Okay.
You know, woman they think end game.
Okay.
Man they think on the go.
Which means if woman and man meet, woman don't see the end already before the beginning.
So all the sacrifice where she they make. Now why they pain the woman pass man? You know, after all what you don't do for the woman or for the boy. Now why you go here and say after all I did for Kingsley. You know, now why they pay and pass? You know, the man own problem, not just the money when they spend. And money na part of asset they build in assets. So we go shop, we go drink, we go. Those are all part of. So no be investment per se as unlike the woman.
The woman,
they put time, emotion for nice. You go say I pray for her, and that thing click. Now he leave me after all the prayer. All my girlfriends know. Say we they pray for Kingsley business. You know, and they can't leave me. So really on dating matters, it did very different. You know, the woman thinking the different. So now the matter where we go on now.
On top money. Last year before we end, we they talk say something where they happen when no fair for on ladies. Me, when you see a lady where don't they successful.
Yes.
and he never marry. Society subconsciously they say make it slow down.
Say make it not pursue men.
Yeah. Say if you over succeed. Yes, if you over succeed. Like the example where we give before we close.
Yes.
Where man buy woman disc.
This man, what they listen to music.
Woman buy him Honda. He collect Honda, dissolve. As Honda land, he dissolve
the relationship.
Yes, you know, so it be like say the woman thinking no be the same thing with the man thinking. So how men they think when it comes to money?
Okay.
Now means to an end.
Okay.
Money no be the real money no be the real goal. When he gets 20M, range sports or move from Mushin, go island. So the money no be the real trip. The real trip not the crib or the car or the effect where the money go give up. So in native go change, in watch go change, in mobile phone go change, in tablet go change. But for woman, nah, it be like seed. You know, every money when you get agenda. You know, I want to help my younger brother. I want save. Fees. I don't know whether you go home when we marry. I don't know whether if you don't hold.
Just in case.
There's some ladies where they never marry. They save up for man where they come. They plan just in case, you know, because they want to be good women. They want, you know, they there for them. So at least if you say I need 100K, say I know to hold, but 80K the back, make I bring them. Okay. All those kind, you know, women are more benevolent with their resources like that. The man na investment. No, you know me say man bad though, but na investment. Like young ladies now, where one guy where don't marry, born, meet you for road. Say he won't buy you phone, he won't buy you watch. Apart from saying na God send them. That phone and that watch no be the real game.
Now what for you? You the man know it. He know it. He dey look for now.
Do you understand?
And not true. Woman know the thing go like that.
No. In problem no be the phone a small thing compared to the end game. You know, so the end game now
you don't plug your graph since
for front. Hey. So if phone go increase the smile and motivation, take phone. It be like draft. You know when they play the way you want chop person, you say take.
Once
you enter, like, you clean up. You
pack everything.
The woman, on the other hand, they more, I don't call them prudent, because they get some women to where they spend. Women get spending problem also. But no be like man. When man get money, they change a lot of things about in persona. You know, when you know who, when barman no answer him immediately. You know to shout. Don't be say you don't vex, but you know to shout. You go say, "Look, can I just try for me?" But when the card change, the wallet change, the card change. You say, "Where your manager?" I have nothing to say to you. You are beneath my pay grade. Call someone that can take a decision.
Anyway, make a back small chicken break for here, and when we come back,
this matter heavy. See, I hold my hand.
This matter heavy. Una go begin the call now. If you get question where you want ask, if you get what you want talk, put on top the show. You go feed the call. Our phone numbers they on top your TV right now. You go down on top your TV, and then our Twitter handle too go there on top your TV. Make you call us. We go back small chicken break for here. When we come back, you go feed the call us from anywhere where you dey for inside Nigeria. When they come back now, DJ Easy Beats, give us something.
Really want back. Prove to me that you want it. No be too late, make my go away. I know where. If you really want back, prove to me that you want it. Oh yeah, show me what you gonna do with it. All the girls them they beg for it. Left on the floor. Left on the floor. Left on the floor. Left on the floor.